One of the main questions I always get are, what do the stars look like during the day? Can you see them? Are they visible? If you turn them off, will people be able to see them on the headliner? Some people don't want to see them on the headliner. They don't want to see the little holes or the little dots that the stars make on the headliner. So I figured I would make a video just for you so I can show you in depth what it looks like during the day. So the next shot will be a day shot. I'll do it with I have tinted windows. They're legally tinted windows. They're not like crazy dark limo tint or anything, but they're what I can legally get away with and still get my stickers. And I'll do one shot with the windows up during the day, and then I'll even roll down the windows obviously during the day, and we'll see what the stars look like. I'll change the colors for you, and we'll see how you like it, or how it shows up on camera. Who knows? Maybe I might see it and it might show up horribly on camera. And it's been a little cloudy out here, so it's not going to be like a bright, shiny Texas day, but it's been bright enough, so you might be able to get a really good result from the video that I'm about to show you. Enjoy. And this is during the daylight. I have tint on my windows, obviously except the front window, but let me get this. All right, so I have tinted windows. They're pretty much legal tint, whatever the legal tint limit is, like 30% in the front and 5 or 10 in the back or whatever. So this is what it looks like with tinted windows. It is 91 degrees here in Texas. It's a bright sunny day, and this is what it looks like. There's no difference in color really, except for the fact that there's no difference in color except for the fact that at nighttime it is a lot more brilliant, you know, it shines more. We'll do red, green, blue, we have pink, yellow, orange, like a purple or burgundy, and go back to white. So yeah, I mean, it shows perfectly on camera, even in the daylight. Now let me roll my windows down, and if the windows are down, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm rolling down the windows. So now we're letting even more light in, even without the tint. And you can see it still shows. And I can see it perfectly even here in person. But the fact that it shows up on camera is actually what I was really concerned about. And it shows up pretty good. So if you're worried about not being able to see these during the daylight hours, you're perfectly fine to assume that I think you're gonna love it even in the daylight. Obviously it's better at nighttime, but yeah. And I guess another question is, people have said, like, can you see them? I'll try to get the camera up there good enough. See, like this one here, you could tell some of these right here, I need to clip them. Where are they at? Right here. This one here, where you at? That one sticking out a little bit, I need to clip that one. But that's no big deal. Anyway, I hope that answers your question on if you can still see them in the daylight. I'll see y'all later.